Hi, my name is Annette Paulson. I am the head of the Department of Banking and Finance at the Terry College of Business. We find that the students that do especially well in finance, or the students who enjoy finance the most, are the ones that come with a strong quantitative background. The students that have enjoyed math classes, have enjoyed their accounting coursework, their economics coursework. You would first take an introductory course, but after that, we have courses in the area of corporate finance. Corporate finance is really if the individual is working inside the corporation, where you are thinking about how does the firm raise capital, how is it going to allocate that capital once it is raised, what project do you choose? Do you choose to open a plant in Mexico, or do you choose to expand in China or Ohio? How are those decisions made? And the third thing is, if you're making tons of money, what do you do with that money once you make it? Do you give it back to your shareholders? Do you reinvest it in other areas of the firm? And in your investment courses, you would learn about the different financial securities. You would learn about the markets where those securities are traded. You would learn about derivatives. You would learn about stocks. You would learn about bonds. What is asset pricing? What does that mean? How have the technical people developed very sophisticated models that help us understand why the stock market goes up on any given day or goes down on a day, or interest rates, or it's really fascinating material. Another aspect that's very important to the study of finance right now, and has been for years, is how do the international markets get involved. London has the largest stock exchange in the world by volume. The Shanghai market is huge. South America is taking off. So it's essential that we understand those international components also. We graduate about 300 majors a year, one of the largest majors on campus, certainly the largest major within Terry, and we find that our students get placed in very many different locations. We have students who place in financial institutions on Wall Street. It's very exciting for them. It's very exciting for Terry to have a representation in New York. Those are our very best students. They work very hard to get those internships. They have great experience. That's exciting, and that's what we challenge you, our very best students, to do, to go to hit that market. More generally, we see a lot of our students place regionally with financial institutions, perhaps SunTrust or Bank of America or other big banks around the area. And in those cases, they may be working in financial analyst position, they may be helping with loan portfolios, they may be helping with wealth management. Individuals come and have assets that they want to invest, and the students will help them with those allocation decisions. Or students may place with corporations, and within a corporation they may work for the financing part of the firm. They may help the firm decide what funds need to be raised and how those funds are going to be raised. They help the corporation decide what projects to select, just in a general financial analysis type position. But in general, we find that our students place very well, they enjoy their jobs, and again, it's very important to recognize that there's a lot of diversity of what you can do with a finance degree.